Welcome friends, today we will be preparing vegetable fried rice and egg fried rice. Heat oil in a wok and add chopped garlic to it. Add eggs to the wok and stir lightly. Add salt as required. Once the eggs are cooked, remove from the wok. To the same oil, add chopped green chilies, onions, capsicum, beans and carrot. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Fry the veggies well until you get a nice aroma. Add salt as required. Add boiled rice to the veggies and mix well. At this stage, add white pepper powder, and if you stop cooking, veg fried rice is ready. For the egg fried rice, add the scrambled eggs, white pepper powder and mix well. Tasty and delicious egg fried rice is ready. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel.